Hello, this is Lorena, and I'm back with another Delinks video. Now, if anyone wants to know how Kaylin and I have the same energy, well, I know that we went through different things and all that, but you may remember that I recently lost a friend because of some shit I did, and this friend thought that I went too far. Does this sound at all familiar? At all familiar? Well, I guess if you haven't watched 5D, the answer to my question is no, but if you have, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I said I was supposed to... Okay, alright. Now I'm in Zexa World. Okay, well, I said that I was going to do with Anna's deck, so how about I do that? You don't know why Anna is mad at you, Yuma. Well, you may want to consider that you seem to have a habit of ignoring... Okay, I don't even know. Just something about, I'm just remembering what happened between Yuma and Tori when I first started. Like how he left her behind. Like, dude, that's your friend, Yuma. But I mean, he is pretty young, so I expect that kind of behavior from someone with his personality. But really, personality has nothing to do with it. People at his age just aren't very mature. That's normal. It's to be expected. Also, I wish I had his energy, but I don't. I bricked. Alright, I'm gonna... Okay. Unstoppable train! Nice! Activate the effect of a card. Well, hold on a second. If this card is... What? Hold on. Okay, so... Okay, yes. Activate. I mean, I know that I said that I'm not that bad with Anistat, but I did acknowledge that practice was probably still important. Which means that I'm definitely not really the best at using Quartet. Well, mainly because I haven't used it much. So, sure, I had some... I do not have time to fix this right now. Okay, well, I'm sorry guys, but I'm in the middle of a duel. Why does my computer do this to me? Okay, I end my turn. I have to fix my model because it's frozen. My computer just randomly gave me this notification that my avatar stopped working. Definitely not good. Not good for my sanity at all. Ugh, this happens too much, I swear. You guys have to... Just bear with me, okay? Eventually, I'll have to get a new computer, and I will not... Eventually, it'll just have to happen. Are you kidding me? Yuma, you are getting on my nerves. Okay, great. I don't know how I feel. Well, okay, fine. Dude, oh my god. My model still isn't up yet. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. This is not good for me. Not good for me at all. I must be honest. Equipped. Okay. But its effect is negated. Okay, well now I can destroy it. And now, unfortunately, my model is still... It's still frozen. Why? Why? This is a disaster. But, I mean, as much of a disaster as this is, that's Anna's energy, if you ask me. Anna is destructive. Okay, great. Well, like I said... Okay, you can, okay. Yes, I normal summoned it with... Can I please fix my avatar? Okay, well I'm trying to do two things at once. Duel and fix my VTuber avatar. And as you may imagine, that isn't going too well because, well, I can't get the application to fully close. So it's just a nightmare. Okay. Seriously, Anna, you only have one? You only have one! What kind of... Okay, well, this is my fault entirely. Okay, hold on a second. I actually had to take some time away from this duel so I can fix my VTuber avatar. Not on the... It was not something I never planned for this. Okay, hold on a second. Close the program, yes. Close the program. Oh my god. It may have... You guys may have not even seen it. It may have been gone for you for minutes, but for me, I was still seeing it up. It was pulled up, I couldn't fix it. Man, it was a disaster. Now give me a second while I try to fix it. In the middle of recording, no less. I've had to do this too many times, it's stupid and ridiculous, and it takes away from the video. But eventually I will have to get a new laptop, and there will be no ifs and or buts about it. It's kind of stupid if you ask me, but sure. Alright, my model is back and it's functioning. I did not know that Anna only had one copy of her card in this deck. I guess that means I need to be more careful with it. Yeah, I wonder if she knows to be more careful with it. I really don't want it to be more painful, okay? I did that on purpose so I wouldn't lose many life points when it went to the graveyard. And now it was definitely stupid to do that, but well, you know. Oh god, guys, I think I might even lose. I might lose this. I didn't want to, obviously, but it kind of looks like I'm going to. Alright. I've seen that animation too many times. Okay. Well, I guess the... Hold on a second. Okay. Okay. I don't even know what... I don't even know if this is a good idea. But... I guess I can handle the damage. It's not like I'm much better than Anna anyway. I mean, let's just be honest. I'm not. Anna and I are sort of similar in our dueling strategies, if I must be honest. Not entirely, but I mean, when we consider the mistakes I make and the kind of dueling moves I make, I'm not exactly normal, if we're being honest. I can be kind of reckless and careless at times when it comes to my dueling. I'm sure you guys remember, right? Okay. Well, Yuma, do you remember what happens when you are attached to that card? Do you know what happens when your card has no more Zeus materials attached? You know what's coming. You know. Okay, yes, continue to attack. Yes, it was targeted for an attack and went to the graveyard. Alright. I'm winning! This video has already been a complete... It has been chaotic. But that's exactly what you expect from Anna, and that's what you expect from me. For entirely different reasons, though. Well, sort of. Yeah, sort of. Kind of weird that it's sort of and not entirely, but we know what I'm like. Seriously. Okay, you activate your monster's effect, okay? This is driving me nuts, Yuma. Stop, seriously. Dude, that card is just... Okay, I attack directly! I won! Okay, guys, I won! Oh, she said something and I wasn't paying attention to it. She has a shyer side to her, but honestly, I don't even know what she sees in Yuma, honestly. Then again, when I was Yuma's age, Yuma was not my type. When I was Yuma's age, yes. But dude, I don't even. Okay. That was not good dueling. Who are you talking to, Astral? Oh, I know it's Yuma. But still. I can't possibly defend everything I did in that duel. I cannot defend it. Okay. I don't know how this will go, but I'm doing it. No. Okay, I'm gonna duel hard level 60. This is going to be terrifying. Let's watch and see how this goes. Yeah, like I'm not going to just try to... Well, I am dueling as... I may be the one dueling, but I'm still watching how this is going. Okay. I do not know if I will win or if I will lose, but either way, I'm going to try to win. So far, trying to win is not going very well. I didn't draw any monsters. Alright, well, alright. Are you kidding me? Dude, I didn't... Are you kidding me? What? What? This wasn't even a duel. Oh my god. Dude, I'm salty. I'm pissed. I cannot believe that. I cannot believe it. Oh my god. Dude, Shark's deck is one of the few decks that really doesn't have as much bricking potential. But in that one duel, because I couldn't summon anything, that was enough for me to lose. Maybe I will try Quadro's deck. That sounds terrifying. Maybe I shouldn't do that. But, I mean, honestly, there are ways to get to some of those high-level cards in his hand. And maybe that's a better route than what I'm doing right now. Kinda terrifying, though, because I don't want to... this deck is more brickable. I've seen it brick a lot. And although to be fair, it's kind of how I built it. I mean, if I changed it, maybe it wouldn't brick as much, but I don't know. That was an unfortunate situation. It doesn't always happen like that. Okay, well, this is just stupid. Do you know what else is stupid? Okay, hold on a second. Okay, negate that target's effects until the end phase. Iggy summon. Honestly, I have to be very quick here. If I'm not, she will end me. I cannot allow this. I cannot allow this at all. Okay, Oh, I see. I will do this. And I probably shouldn't just do that, but, well, I do not really know if I okay, whatever. I end my turn. My turn is over. Is she going to wreck me or something? No, seriously, I do not trust her. Okay. Alright, well, we're going to see how this goes, I guess. That's all I can do, really, is just see how this goes. Okay. Okay. What? You can oh, yes. I got rid of her trap. Alright, and I attack again. Honestly, I expect to be destroyed at any minute now. But I just don't really... I really have to take her out quick or she destroys me. Okay. I see. So that's your move, huh? Well... I end my turn. I hope she doesn't get lucky, but you really never know with her. No, I mean, being afraid of Anna makes a lot more sense. It makes a lot more sense. But I'm probably still more terrified of Blair than I am of Anna. I don't understand. But, okay, sure. You know, to me, when I look at Anna, I just see a mirror. Yeah, she's like a mirror. And I'm not really like her much, but, I mean, considering how she plays, I mean, I am sort of similar. Sort of. I mean, do you see all the high-level cards I put in my decks? Do you see them? I mean, you've seen some of them. Okay, well that's the event stuff. Hold on a second. I'm gonna kick Huma's ass. But I'm gonna switch back to Kite for that. Okay, Okay, Yuma, you're going down. Dude, you're level 10. I'd have to break pretty damn hard to lose it. I mean, I have bricked hard enough to lose a battle like this. But I hope I don't. And I recently just bricked, so please don't make me brick again. And I braked so hard. What? What did I just say? Well, okay, I guess this is the first. Okay, I need something that I can summon, please. What kind of duel is this? I mean, the first suggestion is just improve Kite's deck, which, well, his deck is expensive. His deck is expensive. Although I can probably do better than I am now, but that's beside the point. Okay, well, I can finally summon at least. That's better than I did against Anna. Apparently, if you break even on turn 1, you could be defeated just because of that alone. Breaking against her is terrifying. But she's definitely not as terrifying in ranked duels. Because, well, you could break. Wait, actually, what am I saying? Well, actually, I'll tell you. She's not as threatening in ranked duels because most people will not be playing as her. They'll be playing as other people instead. Although I can see the occasional Anna come up here and there. And I just don't expect many. Okay, you're never fluffing the script. I own the script. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people believe that I own the script. Okay, well, anyway guys, that's going to wrap things up for this video. In the next video, I'm going to duel Anna a billion times. Yeah, I hope I get somewhere with this.